Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add profile information to the Austrian application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the more button down below, go to the top of the page and click on the view profile button below your username. After that you should wait a few seconds till you are being logged in. Here you can see your edit profile information. If you want to add more details, click on the your profile information button and then you can edit your username, your date of birth, then your email address. If you want to, you can add or check out the miles and more membership number, and you can also check out your service and card number, and you can change your PIN code. And basically that's it about your profile. That's how you can edit them anytime you want to. Just go back to this section, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.